Hey everyone, today I am going to start how to add navbar to all pages in next.js. Let's start the code. About the folder name about, and second one contact us, file name page.tsx, contact us, page name tsx, home, about, home page. This is the home page. Home page, and this one about contact us. Default, welcome to home page. Click on the about button. This is the about page. Contact us. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.